Hey, beautiful people! Welcome back to Mika's List, where we make parenting look like the coolest gig on the planet. Today, we're diving into the world of baby burps. Yes, it's burping time. Let's get real. Babies are adorable, but they can be gassy little beings. Burping helps release that air trapped in their tummies. It's like helping them say, "Thanks, Mom, I needed that." First up, the classic shoulder move. Place baby's chin on your shoulder, support the bum, and gently pat or rub their back. It's a cuddle and a burp double win. If your baby's like, "Shoulder, no thanks," try the lap method. Sit them on your lap, facing away, support their chest and chin with one hand, and pat with the other. It's like a mini throne for your little monarch. Some babies are all about tummy time, even for burps. Lay them face down across your knees and gently pat their back. It's like a tiny, relaxing massage. Who wouldn't love that? Now let's get to the nitty-gritty. Always have a burp cloth because spit up is real. Be patient, some burps take time. And remember, every baby's different, so find what works for you and your little star. All right, team, that's our baby burping boot camp. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Share your own burping wins in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more baby magic. Until next time, keep shining, you awesome parent, you.